Hey everyone, Cody here, and this is video number 19 in the How to Build a Builderall website training series. And in this video, we're going to talk about how to build out your blog for your website. And we're going to do this through the Cheetah website builder. So on the Builderall homepage, we'll go to the Cheetah website builder, click Enter. Okay. And we're going to click on our animal rescue site, our demo site that we've been using for all our other videos. We're going to click Edit Site. As you can see, these are all our pages we've created so far. How we create a blog is we go on the left-hand side, all the way down to blog. I have one created already, so I'm going to delete this. Going to type in the cancel code. Okay. Now go to click New Blog. I name it Animal Rescue Clinic. And type in a description. Animal Rescue Clinic. I'll change the thumbnail real quick. Click and select and save. We'll say blog created. Now we're going to edit blog. And we're going to have to connect this to our website. So on the left-hand option menu, we'll click all the way down to connect. And we're going to choose our Animal Rescue Clinic website to connect. And let's go ahead and preview this. Okay. So click these out. Click select. And the position will change to connect the websites. So now I'm going to go back to overview. And in this section, you're going to see all the numbers, all the statistics for your blog and your website. As you can see, we have one connected domain. Now, if we go back to our pages, let's go and click out of here and refresh. We're going to see we now have a blog feed page and a blog post page. And as you can see, our blog pages are indicated by an orange little blog icon on each. What I want to do first, I want to move these to the bottom of our pages. Also down below, we have our pages that show. So let's click up Sort. And we have to move the feed first. And the post. You don't have to do this, it is optional. There we go, and then click Save Sort. And our blog pages are towards the bottom now. So the next step is to edit our feed page. So go to Edit Page. Now here's our blog feed page. This is the page where we're going to see the thumbnails of all of our blog posts, and it's where our readers and visitors can can read each blog post as they please. So first of all, I'm going to delete this first part. Delete. Okay, and it leaves us with a feed, a blog feed. And as you can see, it says no articles found. Select a valid filter. So right now we don't have any blog posts. And in the next video, we're going to create our blog posts and make sure everything's connected to our blog feed. So last step is to go up and save. That's fine. I'm going to click close. We're going to cancel out of here, leave. And up the top on the our pages, I'm going to republish. Okay, now we'll go down to our post page, click edit. And as you can see here is our example text of what a blog post would look like. Down the bottom it shows you may also like, and it shows other articles. And we're going to change our logo here just to make it more personalized. I'm going to edit, general settings, change logo. I'm going to choose this dog logo, click save. Okay, I'll move this down. Okay, click save. That's fine. And close. Okay, so now that we've set up our blog or our website, in the next video, like I previously said, we're going to create our first blog post, and we're going to connect it to the blog feed. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions or comments or video topics that may cover, go ahead and put your comment down in the comment section down below. If you'd like a $1 30-day trial to Builderall, I have an affiliate link down in the description down below. Thank you very much for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care and have a great day.